All right. This is the ad account that is set up. So I'm showing the ad account to one of the clients. So this is the ad account that is set up for the kids headset. So I'm going to expand and show you the various parts of the account or the campaign. So this is a messaging campaign that is set. So we're going to edit the campaign to see how it is set up, and you'll be able to see other things within the campaign. We have also another campaign here, which is the sales campaign for the website. So this is the sales campaign for the messaging. So with the messaging sales campaign, we have sales, and then we don't have campaign budget optimization, which means they have done the ad budget optimization or asset budget optimization. So here's the campaign. You can see how it is set up. Nothing is turned on here, and no A/B testing, nothing over here, nothing over here as well. Now let's go to the asset level. When we go to the asset level, we are also looking at what is there. So let's wait for the asset level to load, and you will see it. So here at the asset level, the campaign is set up for messaging, so it means it's going to drive messages. So when we scroll down, we have the campaign set up for Messenger, we have the campaign set up for Instagram and WhatsApp as well. So those are the three campaigns set up. So now when we scroll down, we have the goal to maximize number of conversations as the goal, and the budget is 4,000 naira per day. That's the daily budget. And per calculation of the ad system, we have about um, 3 results per day. So we're going to look at how this goes. Now, when we scroll down, the campaign was set up on 21st, or was set up for 21st to start. So it is going to start tomorrow, which is 21st at 4 a.m. When we scroll down, it is targeting only Accra and Tema. It is targeting only Accra and Tema, and it is not having any audience. It is not having any audience over here. There is no audience here, which means that it's targeting a broad audience over here. And when we look at it, over here is ad placement. So advantage placement is here for the ad placement. Now, when you look at it, it is only one video that is set up for the ad placement. So we are going to look at that and see what is going on at the ad level of the campaign. We're going to look at it and see what is going on at the ad level of the campaign. So when it comes to the ad level, this is the new sales ad, and then we have Binance Organics, and this is a single video. So we are using a single video for the ad, and when you scroll down, the video is being uploaded here, and we have the video uploaded to all the placements of Facebook and Instagram. And then this is the copy for the ad. This is the copy for the ad. So over here, chat with us, and that is all. This is the call to action, learn more. So this is what people are going to click to learn more. Now, we want to go to the second campaign, which is the sales campaign to the website. So this is for the messaging. So we're going to look at the second campaign, which is the sales campaign. Let's look at it and look at the things that are set up. So I'm going to edit it, and let's look at what the sales campaign also have. So I'm going to wait for it to load, and then we'll look at the things set up in the sales campaign for this ad. So with the sales campaign too, this is the campaign level kids headset campaign for today. and it is set up for tomorrow, you can see that the advantage campaign budget is not turned on, it is off. And then we have to the asset level. We are going to the asset level to see the things that are there. So with the asset level, we are looking at the keys, headsets, assets, and at the asset level we don't have, so it's set up for the website. You can see it. This is for the website. And after the website, when we scroll down, you'll be able to see other things that are set up in this campaign. So we don't have any dynamic creative turned on here because it's not useful, and it is going away by June 2025, so it's no longer useful. So we leave that. We are using the daily budget of 4,000 in this asset as well, and you can see the estimate over here. Now when we go down, the campaign will run tomorrow. It is set up today, but it will run tomorrow. When we scroll down, you could see that the places chosen are Accra and Tema, and those are the places that we are targeting for this client. And we are using advantage. We are not using any audience. We are not using any geographical. We are using geographical location, which is Accra and Tema, but we are not using any interest audience. We are leaving the age like that. We're also leaving the gender just like that. And when we scroll down over here, we are using manual placement. For the messaging, we are using what? Advantage plus placement. But for this one, we are using manual placement. When we scroll down, you'll see that the manual placement is for only Facebook, Audience Network, Instagram, and Messenger. And when we scroll down, you see the places where we are targeting. The places are there. So these are the placements where our ads or the ads we've set up will be shown. These are the places it will be displayed. And when we go, you see the conversion is between 6 to 16% per day. That is the estimated conversion of this ad looking at the audience. Now, when we go to the ad itself, you'll be able to see other things over there. So let's go to the ad itself, and it is loading now. We want to wait for the ad to load. All right, so now that the ad is loaded successfully, we want to check the things here. So it's to the Binance Organics page. Binance Organics page. This is the video that they are going to see, and this is the video here as well. And when you scroll down, we are uploading a single image or a single video. When you scroll down, you see that this is the website they are going to, and we are not selecting anything here, so it is none. And when you scroll down again, you see that the site link is turned off. Creative setup site link is turned off. We also have the ad going to the manual places we've selected, and this is the copy, the primary copy or body text for the ad. And then when you scroll down again, you also have the body text for the ad over there as well. So you look at the body text here. I think the body text here for the ad showing the price of the product. Now when we come here, you can see that this is the body text for the ad as well, and this is the headline. So the body text is at the top, or the primary text. Then we have the headline for the ad. We have two headlines. That is over here, and then the action here is learn more. Learn more over here. And when we scroll down, we see that there is tracking going on the website. So everything is being tracked here by the pixel data over here. Everything is being tracked. And I want to show you something at the asset level to show you that we are targeting, when we come to the website here, we are targeting the website. So we are showing people that they can only buy things from the website. So we are looking at what? Maximum number of conversion. Maximum number of conversion. And this is the pixel over here. And the conversion event over here is purchase. So we are optimizing for purchase. Okay. And when we scroll down, nothing is there as well. Nothing is there. So we have standard attribution. We have 7-day click, 1-day engagement view, 1-day view, standard click as well. So that is how it is. And that is it for the ad setup for this. And we are looking at a budget of $4,000 per day. And per the estimation here, Facebook is telling us that they can get 10 purchases in a week or in a day. So we want to see how far this ad will go when it's finally live. I'm going to be sharing the screen from time to time to share the update with you. When this ad is delivering by tomorrow, it should be delivering by tomorrow 6 a.m. And if everything goes well, it means we'll be seeing results from this ad from tomorrow going. So let's stay tuned, and I'll share more information with you later. Enjoy your day.